everybody, how are you? This is Jennifer from Wuhu Deli Foods, which is a honey manufacturer for over 20 years old. So we are professional. If you want honey, please contact us, okay? Today I will introduce some of our pure honey and some small package for honey. Today, the first one is 80-gram package. For this 80-gram package, we have two choices. The same size but the different style. Which one you like is also okay. We have two choices for you. For these 8 grams, we pack it 4 pieces in one tray and 12 trays in one carton. Okay. And next one is like this kind of package. It's glass bottle and it's very popular among the Middle East country. For this kind of package, we have 125 grams and 250 grams and 500 grams and 750 grams, okay? Anyone you like is also okay because we have different choice for you. And next one is like this. This is a glass bottle. It is 1 kilograms package and also very popular among Middle East countries such as Saudi Arabia. When the honey used out, we can also use it as a store. We can store anything you want in this bottle, and it is very easy and convenient. Next one is about our plastic package, such as like this. Like this is a squeezed plastic bottle. It's 400 grams. And we also have 250 grams. And like this is 500 grams. We also have 250 grams, okay? Today I introduce you some small package, and the next time I will introduce more. And we have Sidr honey, white honey, acacia honey, linden honey, vitex honey, and many kinds of pure honey. Anyone you like is also okay. Okay, next time. See you next time. Bye bye.